There might be occasions during your research when you must cite a reference from an old book, movie, or report that is not available online. Then you have to create a manual reference, which can easily be created in EndNote. The process of creating a manual reference. Now let's see a practical demonstration. Launch the EndNote. Go to the References menu and click New Reference. Select Reference Type. Type available information in the respective fields. Close the window and save the manual reference. The created manual reference can be used, like other downloaded references, in your research document.